What if the breakfast you've been eating for years is quietly making your kidneys work harder? Imagine living with a silent roommate who cleans your house every single day, works 24 hours a day, and never asks for a single thank you. But once that house passes its 60th year, this quiet worker starts to get tired. The pace slows down. The filters begin to clog. This isn't a house. It's your body. And that silent roommate? Your kidneys. Many adults over 60 assume feeling more tired or seeing small changes in routine blood tests is simply part of aging. But sometimes, it's your kidneys asking for support. The good news? You don't need expensive cleanses or complicated diets. In many cases, one of the best places to start is with what's on your breakfast plate. Today, we'll look at 3 simple breakfast foods that can help support healthy kidneys after 60, and one common breakfast mistake that may be doing more harm than you realize. Imagine your kidneys waking up each morning after working through the night. They aren't asking for anything fancy. They just need today's workload to be a little easier than yesterday's. That's where a simple bowl of plain oats quietly goes to work. Think of your blood vessels as a busy highway leading to your kidneys' tiny filters. A breakfast loaded with sugar can send a rush of traffic speeding down that road, forcing those delicate filters to work much harder. But plain rolled oats act differently. Their natural fiber works almost like a gentle sponge, helping slow the flood of sugar into your bloodstream while carrying away some cholesterol along the way. The result is calmer traffic, steadier blood flow, and less stress on kidneys that have already spent decades working for you. There is just one important catch. Skip the sweetened instant packets. Those added sugars can undo much of what makes oats so helpful. Choose plain rolled oats instead, and let this humble breakfast do its quiet work every morning. Now, let's talk about a choice many people over 60 face every single morning. You know your muscles aren't as strong as they used to be. Your doctor, your friends, even the television, keep reminding you to eat more protein. So you reach for the bacon, the sausage, or a plate of whole eggs, believing you're doing your body a favor, but inside your body, your kidneys are quietly sighing. Every bite of heavy, processed breakfast meats gives those tiny filters another load to sort through. After decades of working around the clock, they don't need a tougher job. They need a smarter one. That's where our second breakfast food quietly changes the story: egg white. Think of them as giving your body exactly what it asks for, and leaving behind much of what your kidneys would rather avoid. Egg whites are packed with high-quality protein to help support aging muscles, yet they're naturally much lower in phosphorus than the yolk. It's one of the reasons kidney specialists often recommend them as a kidney-friendly source of protein. Imagine your muscles receiving the building blocks they need to stay strong while your kidneys have far less waste to clean up afterward. It's like hiring an extra pair of hands for one job instead of making the same tired worker do everything alone. The next time you're making breakfast, remember this simple swap. Keeping the whites and cutting back on the yolks can be a small decision that gives your kidneys one less burden to carry, morning after morning. Now imagine your kidneys at the end of another long day. They've been filtering your blood since the moment you woke up. They've cleared away waste, balanced fluids, and kept working without a single break. But after years of doing this every minute of every day, tiny signs of wear begin to appear. It's almost like a little rust slowly forming on a trusted old machine. That rust is what scientists call oxidative stress, and over time, it can place extra strain on kidney cells. So how do you help a hard-working filter that's been on the job for more than 60 years? Sometimes the answer comes in the smallest package: fresh blueberries. These tiny berries may look ordinary, but they're loaded with powerful antioxidants that help protect your cells from oxidative stress. Think of them as a team of tiny firefighters, arriving every morning to help calm the sparks before they have a chance to grow. There's another reason blueberries stand out. While some fruits are naturally much higher in potassium, which some people with reduced kidney function may need to watch, blueberries are relatively low in potassium, making them a kidney-friendly choice for many people. A handful of fresh blueberries on top of your morning oats doesn't just add sweetness. It gives your breakfast another layer of support for kidneys that have spent decades faithfully taking care of you. Your kidneys have been quietly taking care of you every minute of every day for decades. They don't ask for perfection. They simply ask for a little support. Sometimes, the biggest changes don't begin with a new medication or a complicated diet. They begin with one simple breakfast, one better choice, one morning at a time. Remember, the information in this video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you have kidney disease, diabetes, or abnormal kidney blood tests, always talk with your doctor, nephrologist, or a registered renal dietitian before making significant changes to your diet. The right foods for one person may not be the right foods for another. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend or family member who wants to protect their kidneys after 60. And if you're passionate about healthy aging, be sure to subscribe to Ageless Habits and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly videos designed to help you stay healthier, stronger, and more independent for years to come. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take good care of your kidneys, because they're taking care of you.